Welcome to Aware Consumer. If you're in the market for a new pellet grill, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best pellet grills of 2024. We're aiming to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we would really appreciate your support. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started and find the perfect pellet grill for your needs. Best overall, Traeger Pro 575 Pellet Grill. If you want a hassle-free grill that can dazzle guests every bit as much as yourself, the Traeger Pro 575 Pellet Grill is an appliance made for the ages and the heaviest-duty pellet grill we found under $1,000. Heat retention and moderation are the most important things when it comes to the function of a grill. While the Traeger doesn't have the quarter-inch steel we like to see on a grill, it's far thicker and seals much better than anything else we've tried in this price range. We've kept temperatures steady within 5 degrees of our target temps in all kinds of weather, something even an experienced griller would have a devil of a time doing with charcoal or wood. The Pro's temps range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just right for low and slow cooking, up to 500, which won't get a sear, but will effectively braise. This is where the Traeger Pro series might fall short against more modular grills, including Traeger's Timberline series, which comes with an induction side burner, or Camp Chef's Woodwind series, which we recommend for a more versatile option. But for the price, the Traeger series grills hold heat best and are built for the long haul, so if you're working with a moderate budget and primarily want to use the grill for barbecuing, you needn't look further. Best budget, Z Grills Pioneer 450B. We've been testing affordable pellet grills, and while the shortcomings of others quickly became apparent, the Z Grill 450B didn't have the temperature adjustment issue we found elsewhere. This grill is also easier to assemble than many other options within this price range and beyond. Temperatures range from 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but the smoke setting lets you cheat temperatures down to 170, which we love for extra low and slow cooking. Some people might wish for the Wi-Fi in Traeger and Camp Chef grills, but if you're keeping with a budget, you really don't need the extra electronics on your pellet smoker. Careful positioning of the grill near enough to read an LCD screen or run a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi-enabled temperature probe can stand in for built-in electronics. The real downside of this grill is that it's not very well sealed, so smoke seeps out. The quick fix for that is to add your own gaskets. If you're looking to barbecue for a small group of 8 people and don't want to spend too much or fuss with gadgetry or accessories, the Z Grill's 450B is a great, simple, and affordable solution. Best charcoal, Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050. Tending a charcoal fire is much easier said than done, and in almost every case of disappointing or failed grilling attempts, it is the cause of the downfall. Masterbuilt's towering Gravity Series is an imposing appliance with a large hopper and feeder that, with the help of Wi-Fi connectivity, works just like a pellet smoker, but for charcoal. Why go with charcoal over wood pellets? Many cooks argue that charcoal offers more flavor, but it's also a simple fact that charcoal burns much, much hotter than wood pellets. The Gravity Series ranges from about 150 degrees Fahrenheit up to about 700 degrees, which is ideal for searing, something pellet grills can't generally do. Ultimately, it's a grill, griddle, and a smoker all in one. It also has 2-sided cast iron grates, with one thinner side dedicated to smoking and the thicker one for searing. Monitoring the temperature with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth was easy, and connectivity is about as steady as most grills we've tested. We couldn't go around the corner to the store, but we stayed connected around the house, adjusting temperature and even turning the grill off. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series grill has a few downsides like any other. Firstly, it's made of relatively lightweight metal, which isn't good for heat retention or longevity, and secondly, it took more than 2 hours to build. Expectedly, temperatures tend to fluctuate more than they do in a wood pellet smoker, but that's charcoal for you. Best versatile, Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24. Camp Chef was one of the first pellet grill brands on the market. While we find other options more suitable for the aspiring griller, the list of accessories and modularity of the Woodwind series reaches far beyond any other brand. The Woodwind grill operates basically and efficiently, and the interface is easy to navigate and has a strong Wi-Fi connection. It's the accessories, starting with the blanket and up to the 28,000 BTU, cast aluminum sidekick side burner, flat top, sear box, and pizza oven that win us over. With this setup, there's little you can't do with this grill in your backyard, all at a reasonable price. We have found that with a stiff breeze or in sub-zero weather, this grill is hard to keep steady, though you'll do just fine in mild weather or a subtropical climate. Even so, the blanket helps solve for that impressively well, which is a great alternative to spending hundreds or even thousands more on a grill with thicker steel and a more robust seal. If you want a one-stop grilling station in your backyard that you can customize for all intents and purposes, but you don't want to break out thousands of dollars to do it, Camp Chef is for you. And that wraps up our review of the best pellet grills of 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect grill to enhance your barbecue experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Aware Consumer, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Feel free to leave a comment below with your favorite pellet grill or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.